Good afternoon, everyone. It is fourth period on Wednesday, July 12th at KIT Iizuka. This is English, 7D. And it is class number 13, which means that we have only this week and 3 more classes. The last 2 classes, as I've been telling you about, the last 2 classes are for your tests. And the 2nd of August is for your Moodle test. That means that 2 weeks from now, July 12th, July 19th, July 26th, this day will be your conversation test, your final one. Basically, it will be about the same as the one that you had in the 8th week of classes back in May, but we'll be using different topics. But basically, it will be the same. We're going to be going through the same things that we have to do today. So a little bit later, maybe in about 10 minutes or so, I'm going to ask you to choose a partner. And again, it can be anybody you want. It can be the same partner you had last time, no problem. Anybody you like. After I get these partner names together, I'm going to make the random groups and announce them at the end of next week's class. Okay? And let's see. Okay. Today we'll be doing a little bit of Quizlet, okay, to get you warmed up. And your only assignment, your only one, is your walking video number 2. Now for that walking video number 2, I suggest that here on June 28th, that was the week after your first walking video, which was June 21st. That was walking video 1. The next week, I gave you this video, improving your videos. So before you make your second walking video, I suggest, please watch this video, because some of you still had some problems with some of those walking videos, and it would probably be better if you saw this first, then made your walking video here on July 12th. Okay, your walking video assignment is the only one you have, but I want you to think about it deeply. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Whoops, stopped. I have to start this again. Sorry.ちょっと待ってね。Zoom で。なんでだろう。ちょっと待ってね。Open. Good. Okay. Put you. No audio. We got it. And security is good. Yes. Share content. Screen. ごめんね。ちょっと待って。Okay. Come back here. Good. One. Okay. And back to July 12th. Whew. Okay. で、またね、録画されてるけど、後でね、編集します。ですね、結局、sorry. I should be speaking in English. Okay, so, okay. I don't know. Sometimes I have problems with Zoom on this computer. So I'm just going to stop Zoom and